Hey there, this is Alex over at Duralabel, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to install your battery into your Toro Max system. That way you can print on the go wherever you need and when you need. To begin installing the battery, you're first going to want to begin on the left side of the Toro Max system where you'll find the battery cover as well as the latch to release said cover. Go ahead and bring that down, release the door, and side to side. Then to load the battery itself, go ahead and begin by loading on the left hand side first. Pay attention to the tab on the right and make sure that's out for removal of the battery. Once you have your battery installed, go ahead and place the cover back on by beginning with the right hand side and closing it until you hear it latch. In order to remove the battery, there's going to be a latch on the right hand side near where that tab is. Go ahead and move that down, grab the tab, and remove the battery. Now with your battery installed, you're able to take your Toro Max system on the go with you as needed. Take advantage of our free lifetime support by calling 1-800-788-5572 or by visiting our support page at duralabel.com.